Alrighty, this is day 2 of cooking deer steaks for dinner. So right now I'm just patting them dry before I cook them, because they've been in the fridge for about a day after I defrosted them, which ain't gonna hurt them none. As you see, they're still good, but yeah. Some guy yesterday said I wasn't seasoning them, so I'll season them today. I'm gonna give them a light touching of pepper. Not too much, just a little bit on each one of them. And I didn't want to dirty a plate, so I just put down this paper towel and it works. So don't have to worry. And then hit it with a little bit of salt. Get it with that salt action. Oh, I added a lot to that one. It's okay, it'll be okay. There, I seasoned them up with salt and pepper. I'm also gonna add this roasted garlic and herb seasoning. If only you guys could smell this. It smells pretty good. Let's turn it down a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I'm getting a little ahead of time, because last time I cooked deer steak, it was spitting oil everywhere. And then for this, you just loop, 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 fold it up. I didn't even spill any seasoning on the counter. How cool. Yep. Oh God, I think they're done. Might be too done. Oh God, they're just right. Just right.